Hi Superlatives, it's me again, Zafe. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to pin your location at the Atlas. Simple step, but remember to move your SSS into a hot wallet before you connect your MetaMask to our website for a safety reason. And make sure you have a stable internet connection. Alright, let's get started. First, go to our official website, superlativesecretsociety.com, and in the right corner, you will see gears. Click it and then click Atlas. Voila, you'll see a Melican planet. Click enter. Again, remember to transfer your SSS into hot wallet before you connect the MetaMask. And then click confirm after you verified. You can select one of your token as your profile picture. I only move one, so click save. And then insert your name, your Twitter, and Discord ID. Alright, now I'm going to pin my location at Uzbekistan, Tashkent. Why? No reason. So you can also pin your location manually. I click the map and move it around. Let's zoom in and save. Wow, there are so many SSS holders worldwide already. Alright, I do not have any orbs since I only have one SSS in my wallet. And let's take a look to our holders worldwide. Again, apologize for the slow connection because it's raining heavily when I record it. Anyway, let's take a look at this cool orbs. Is it in Arab? Somewhere? Alright, let's move around and just look around. Ooh, that's cool orbs over there. Let's click it. Brandon Murray, he has 5 SSS. Oh, Jet! Oh. A really cool orbs, mate. You hold a lot. Okay, that is all from me. For further information about the Atlas, you can read our latest article in the Medium. And for the question, please put it on our Discord. Our beloved moderator will always be there to assist you guys. Okay, stay superlative.